The iPhone 17 Air is coming. This latest innovation from Apple is set to redefine what we expect from a smartphone. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the iPhone 17 Air is poised to make a significant impact in the tech world. It's the next big thing from Apple. The anticipation is palpable as tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike eagerly await its release. The iPhone 17 Air promises to deliver an unparalleled user experience. This phone is rumored to replace the Plus model. This shift indicates a new direction for Apple's product lineup, focusing on a balance between size and functionality. That means a new era for iPhone sizes. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to offer a more versatile range of sizes, catering to different user preferences and needs. Get ready for a phone that's both powerful and portable. The iPhone 17 Air combines high performance with a lightweight design, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The iPhone 17 Air is generating a lot of buzz. From tech blogs to social media, everyone is talking about what this new device will bring to the table. Why? Because it promises exciting new features. Enhanced camera capabilities, a stunning display, and a sleek design are just the beginning. We're talking titanium, faster charging, and even mysterious charging wings. These innovations are set to make the iPhone 17 Air a standout in the crowded smartphone market. Let's dive in and explore what we know so far. From leaks to official announcements, there's a lot to unpack about this upcoming release. Apple is known for innovation. Over the years, they've consistently pushed the boundaries of technology, and the iPhone 17 Air is no exception. The iPhone 17 Air looks to be no different. With its futuristic design and advanced features, it's set to be a game changer. Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell. As we count down to its release, the excitement continues to build. But one thing is certain, the future of the iPhone is looking very interesting. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on the iPhone 17 Air. Titanium is a strong and light metal, known for its impressive strength-to-weight ratio. This unique combination makes it an ideal material for various high-performance applications. It's used in airplanes and spaceships, where both strength and weight are critical factors. The aerospace industry relies heavily on titanium to ensure safety and efficiency. Now it might be in your next iPhone. Imagine holding a device that benefits from the same material trusted in aviation and space exploration. Analyst Jeff Pu believes the iPhone 17 Air will have a titanium frame. This prediction has sparked excitement among tech enthusiasts and industry experts alike. This means a stronger and more durable phone capable of withstanding everyday wear and tear much better than its predecessors. Imagine a phone that's less likely to bend or scratch, offering a longer lifespan and better resale value. This could be a game changer for smartphone durability. That's the promise of titanium. Its resilience and robustness could redefine what we expect from our mobile devices. However, another expert, Ming-Chi Kuo, has a different prediction. He suggests that Apple might take a different approach. He believes Apple will use a mix of titanium and aluminum. This hybrid approach could balance strength with cost-effectiveness. This combination would keep the phone light and affordable, making it accessible to a broader range of consumers without compromising on durability. It would still be stronger than previous models, offering an upgrade in both performance and longevity. So, will it be all titanium or a blend? The decision will ultimately shape the future of smartphone design and durability. We'll have to wait and see. The anticipation is building, and the tech world is eager for Apple's next move. Apple has used different materials for iPhones. The iPhone 5 had a glass back. The iPhone 6 introduced aluminum. Each material has its pros and cons. Aluminum is light and strong, but it can scratch easily. Stainless steel is more durable, but it's heavier. For the iPhone 17 series, there's a lot of uncertainty. Some rumors suggest titanium for all models. Others say only the Pro models will get it. The iPhone 17 Air's materials are still a mystery. Apple is keeping things under wraps. This suspense is building anticipation for the official announcement. Section 4, Power Up Faster. Charging gets a boost. Nobody likes waiting for their phone to charge. Apple knows this. That's why the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have faster charging. We're talking up to 35 watts. That's a significant jump from previous models. Imagine plugging in your phone for a few minutes. You could get hours of battery life. This faster charging speed is a game changer. It means less time tethered to a charger. You can spend more time doing the things you love. With the iPhone 17 Air, charging your phone could become a breeze. Section 5, Wings of Power, Unraveling the Mystery. The most intriguing rumor about the iPhone 17 Air is the charging wings. What are they? How do they work? Apple is keeping quiet. These wings have sparked a lot of curiosity and excitement among tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike. The idea of a phone with wings sounds almost like something out of a science fiction movie, but it could be closer to reality than we think. But that hasn't stopped the speculation. Online forums and tech blogs are buzzing with theories and predictions. Some experts believe that these wings could revolutionize the way we think about smartphone charging and design. Some believe these wings are physical extensions. They could be designed to fold out from the sides of the phone, creating a unique and innovative charging solution. They could pop out from the phone's sides. This would not only look futuristic but also serve a practical purpose. These wings might enable super-fast wireless charging. Imagine a world where you no longer have to wait hours for your phone to charge. Imagine placing your phone on a charging pad. The wings extend and lock into place, ensuring a secure and efficient connection. The wings extend and lock into place. This could potentially reduce charging time significantly. Your phone charges in minutes. This technology sounds futuristic. It's almost like something out of a sci-fi novel, but it could soon be a part of our everyday lives. But it could become a reality with the iPhone 17 Air. If these rumors are true, Apple could once again set a new standard in the smartphone industry. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to know for sure. Until then, the mystery of the charging wings continues to captivate our imaginations.